today my mom is going to be rating my fidgets. This fidget is Infinity Cube.
Ooh. 1 to 10?
1 out of 10?
1 out of 10?
Yes.
This is an 8.
Okay. Next is a pop tube.
Good sound. I'm gonna say like a 6.
Okay. Next is magnet beads.
These are some of my favorite. I think these are a 10.
Okay. Pop it.
Good pop. What about this side? Ooh. 8.
8. Fidget pad.
Pretty good. I wish it was a little rainbow. Just a yellow and black. I'm gonna give it a 7.
Okay. For part 2, if you want to see my dad rating my fidgets. Bye.
Bye-bye.